Alright guys, so here's how to adjust space between paragraphs in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple guys, so let's get started. We are on between two paragraphs, so if you select that and then on the upper side you will probably see this, so you need to tap on this little icon and now all you can simply see these options. So if you go with the 1.0, which is probably the standard part, but if you can also go with the 2.0, which is the double of it, and 3.0 is the triple. All right, also you can go and select the all paragraphs that you have and then select this option and again select this option to line spacing options. Just simply go with it, and then from here, as you can see, we got a line spacing option. All right, so if you select that and select 1.5 lines, which is the standard for your assignment, so assignment and many more things, the standard is 1.5 lines. All right, so then you can also check the line spacing like before and after. So I have seen most of my assignments that is being said like you have to select the before 6 points and after the 6 points, and also for the line spacing you need to select 1.5, which is the standard they are saying to me. All right, then simply again tap on this OK button and your assignment or your words will look like this, which is quite good, I should say. So that's how you can adjust space in Microsoft Word. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.